Good morning, everybody. Charlie here, back with you. Today we are going to eat the bazooka, and the bazooka pepper is exactly BAZUKA. Not too many people know about this pepper, but there it is. Matter of fact, I could only find limited information on this pepper, so I will go over it with you during the review. So let's get the chili here. There it is. Big nasty looking pod. From what I understand, well, anyways, with the limited information I got, this pepper is supposed to be very hot.
I've been very, very fortunate.
It smells almost sweet, like. I really hope I'm not disappointed in this. I don't know. Nonetheless, let's get the timer going here. So here we go. Again, there it is. Nasty kind of looking pod here. Cut the stem off. I'm looking at some dark seeds here, which I don't know what that means. Anyways. So anyway, here we go, the bazooka. In 3, 2, 1, go. So it says here the bazooka, very hot habanero type, 1.5 to 2 inches long by 1/4 inch by 1.5 inches wide. A medium to thick flesh. Matures from pale green to orange to red. And we 30 seconds in. Oh man. It says it has pendant pods, green leaves, 24 to 30 inches tall, late season, from Guadalupe, sea Chinese. Yeah, so here we go. No, I'm just kidding. Not very impressed at all. Dull flavor, dull heat. Very unimpressive. Yeah, not gonna say I'm a fan of this chili at all. See if I can give these away to my friends, which they're all scared of anything that I have that's hot anyways, that even says hot. So yeah, just sit here and waste some time with you. Yeah, nothing hot. I mean, don't get me wrong, it could just be me. It'd probably be hot to, you know, some normal people, but to me it's not hot. It's not hot whatsoever. I mean, don't get me wrong, you know it's there, kind of heat, but not, oh my god, I need something to drink kind of heat, so. Yeah, I don't know. I understand this is some kind of crossbreed that's been around for some time, which, like I said, there's very minimum to any information on this pepper. big pod. I give it that. Guess that's why some say that maybe been crossed with the green pepper or bell pepper at some time. Seen that that reference somewhere. Maybe appealing to somebody else, you know, but you know, I don't know. It's not appealing to me. I may cut some of these up and put them in some salsa. Spice up some salsa a little bit, you know.
Michigan State on ESPN Friday. Hello, Ohio at Penn State Saturday on ESPN, and then in Arlington, Texas, at the home of the Cowboys.
And don't forget Michigan playing number 2 Alabama Saturday, 8 p.m. Let's go blue. That'd be interesting. Yeah. I don't know. I don't get where they get this. Is very hot. I know I have got some pods coming. I believe I got some heat coming towards coming my way, and I can't wait to get them.
Oh, Tuesday's gone with the wind, but not before we got your tweets, my friends. Yankee fans, grateful for Robinson Cano, who makes the extraordinary look pretty ordinary. He's just that good. And how's this for taking one for the team? Yadier Molina getting the out, despite almost getting knocked out.
The U.S. Open tennis all day and all night continues today at 1 and 7 on ESPN2.
This is Radio Malabon, a non-commercial radio station. And here's the weather, New York. Sunshine. Sunshine.
All right, there we are. 5 minutes, 30 seconds in. Now I understand why there's very no information on this pepper. I mean, it says it's got a little heat. So there it is, the review of the Bazooka chili. Until next time, Charlie signing out. And I will see you next pepper. Thank you.